cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain and state if there is anyone who has not, any defense attorney who has not appeared and they have someone in custody, you need to let the deputies know? All right, this is no application. Are you all ready to proceed?
Yes.
Court is calling 2023 CR 6038, State of Texas versus Richard Gabriel Ramos. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
Marshall D. White for Mr. Richard Ramos, the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Richard Ramos?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Ramos, I'm going to need you to speak up so the court reporter can hear, okay? Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I believe I have it this time.
Law quote H. This moment right here sets the tone. The judge is confirming that everything's been reviewed properly. Discovery means all the evidence the prosecution has against the defendant. If the defense doesn't get it, the entire case can collapse on appeal. Think of it as checking if both teams have seen the same playbook before kickoff.
No, my fault. Mr. Ramos, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of assault of a public servant bodily injury? If the enhancement allegation is proven to be true, that will be a second-degree felony. The range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to need you to speak up, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I should need those papers, okay?
Oh, that's okay. All right. Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do believe he does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe he was, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramos, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yeah.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, you agree that you've been previously convicted of a previous felony. Punishments be assessed at 7 years in the prison. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration 2023 CR 6039 and 712653. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state,
Yes, Your Honor.
showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Mr. Ramos, showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
What was that again, ma'am? Sorry.
All right. Did you understand the waiver of appeal paragraph that you signed? This paragraph where your signature is listed. Did you understand it?
No. Can you read it out again?
I'm sorry, what?
No, can you read it again?
What did he say?
He said, no, like, can you read it again?
All right. So, first of all, did you sign this?
Oh, yes.
Did you go over it with your attorney?
Yes.
All right. When you sign this, what you're saying is that you are waiving your right to appeal. And waiving your right to appeal is, in layman's terms,
I don't like-
waiving your right to complain about a sentence. Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? Now, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. You understand?
Yes.
Did you understand that?
Well, I didn't understand the appeal, no.
Right. Do you understand it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you still wish to continue?
Block coat P of strong. Watch closely. This is where things get tense. The defendant just admitted he didn't understand what waiving appeal means. That's huge. A plea deal only stands if it's entered knowingly and voluntarily. So when the judge circles back to explain it in plain English, she's not being extra. She's protecting the record from being overturned later.
What do you mean, like the enhancement of the prior conviction? Oh, yeah.
Did you review?
You have to say
I thought
true
I-
or not true. Is it true?
It's not true. It's not.
All right. So I'm going to read it to you and I want you to answer if it's true or not true. Okay. It says, and it is further presented in and to said court that before the commission of the offense alleged above, and when they say offense alleged above, they mean what you're here for now, on the 16th day of July 80, 2010, and cause number 2006 CR 9302 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant was convicted of the felony of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, felony group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams. So is that true? Were you previously convicted of that felony?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you plead true to that?
Well, yeah, that I went to prison for that, yes.
All right. So is it true or not true?
True.
Okay. State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all its attachments.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramos, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state is going to be presenting their evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Respectfully, Your Honor, we ask the court to follow the plea bargain that Mr. Ramos has entered into with the state of Texas.
All right, Mr. Ramos, it appears that you were having a bad day.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you have any mental health issues,
I don't know.
prior drug issues?
I had an evaluation for DWI.
Okay. All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 7 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration 2023 CR 6039 and County Court Cause number 712653. Counsel, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ramos, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. That's it.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Ramos, do you have any family in Bear County?
Ma'am?
Do you have any family here?
Yes, yes.
Do you have a support system?
Yeah.
All right.
So yes,
Yes,
no.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, counsel. So when you get out of prison, you need to make some changes, because otherwise, if you pick up a new offense, your attorney, I'm sure, has probably told you this. I know he probably did. You will be listed as a habitual.
I
And
didn't
if-
tell you that, didn't I?
And if you're listed as a habitual and you pick up a felony, depending on the felony it is, your minimum sentence would be 25 years.
And here's the judge's reality check. She's not just sentencing him, she's schooling him. Once labeled a habitual offender, the next felony could lock him away for at least 25 years. This is the turning point. Will he finally change course?